Okay, my honor student, she asked me to do three things. The first thing was percents. I wrote down two problems. The first one, I left a 15% in my $250 meal. How much was the tip? The second one, excuse me. Second one was my food was $240 for my meal. I want to leave a 15% tip. How much tip should I leave? Do you see the difference? The first one already has the 15% tip in it. The second one doesn't have it in it yet. So the second one is your typical percent problem. 240 times 0.15. So now 10%, you move it over 1, is $24. Half of that would be 12, so that would be a $36 tip. See, that's a fast way of doing 15%. No excuse for not doing 15% if you estimate this number. I mean, if you have 239.99, just estimate. But 10%, move it over 1, 5%, half of that. Okay, this one. So this one, you actually have to have it set up 1x for the meal plus 0.15x for the tip equals 240. Now, I don't expect to do this one without a calculator. That's just wasting time. So I'm going to divide both sides by 1.15. So I'm going to get my handy dandy calculator here. 240. Oh, you can't see that anyways. Divided by 1.15. And they get 208.70. So that was the meal. Wow, I hope that was a good meal, huh? So the tip was 31.30. So notice this person got almost $5 more because it wasn't in yet. So this meal was smaller for the food than this one. So this person got a better tip. I wouldn't mind making $36 an hour. Wow. Okay, next one. X and Y intercept. If it's set up like this, to find the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x. So it'll be y plus 4 equals 0 minus 3 squared. So y plus 4 equals 9. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Squared is 9. Subtract 4, y is 5. Here to find the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y and solve. So you have 4 equals x minus 3 squared. You square root both sides, and most people forget this is plus or minus 2. So then you add 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the next one, for this one. Now again, if you want the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x. Holy cheese, can it get any easier? I'll even write it out for you. 2 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0. Oh my goodness. So the y-intercept is 0. Now the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y. Now we could complete the square, but why not factor? Factor out a 2x, that'd be x plus 2. So you'd have 2x equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals 0, or x equals negative 2. Now, I wanted to show you something here. If you're looking for the vertex, another problem, different problem. But if you're looking for the vertex, you'd want to factor out the 2, then complete the square. So you go half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. But what did I really add to this side? Well, 2 times 1. So I go y plus 2 equals 2x plus 1 squared. Just factor this up. And then the vertex would be -1, -2. But if it's asking for x and y intercept, you don't need to do that. But just thought I'd show ya. Okay, that's our first video. Have a good day.